Hi, this is Karen with WTI.
This miroposs Rechargeable Makeup Mirror has been my saver for whenever I'm doing my makeup or I just need to clean up my face. I love to use it whenever I need to plug on my eyebrows. I need to do this every 3 to 4 days. So I need good lighting, and this mirror has been it. But also when I'm doing my makeup and I really need to look into those little details, like whenever I'm doing my eyelashes, I need to really see what I'm doing, and the light is extremely bright. Is just the right amount of light that I need to achieve that in my makeup. I love that it has three different settings of light. It has the cool light, the warm light, and the combination of the two. And also is dimmable. So it's just super practical. It has super slick design, super thin and really light.
And that's my point of view.